getting a brand new fishing rod. Now this rod is a necessary one, in my opinion, to my quiver. Last one. This is a heavy. It's a Cajun rod. And it's their Atled, which is their top of the line. Ooh. This is where you gotta go ooh, ah, 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 ooh. Make sure nothing else is in the tube. Every moment stole my breath. That you could see it in my smile. So let's gingerly cut off the packaging. I don't know where this road leads. All I know is I wanna go with you. Atled is a different core that they make. No sure things. I am sure I wanna live it with you. It's hard to pull these things off. Hey, let me try scissors. A little easier. The Atled has 4A cork, not 3A, which 3A is what most companies use. But it's denser. Than 3A, which allows you to feel the bite better through the cork. Alright. Okay. Let's pull it out of its sleeve. When you first told me. Let's give this a look. A little look-see. So, this is 4A cork. I like split grips. It's a very, very, very light rod. This is their heavy, fast action. Really large shaft to it, or blank. Fantastic winds on it. These are Fuji guides. Really high quality, just like you expect from them. Got a Fuji reel seat. Really, really, really light, guys. 7'3". You can cast this all day long. I think it weighs 5 ounces, from what I read. I like my hook keeper above my grips. I don't like it below the grip. They give you a little bit more cork here to help rest your hand. Let's put my reel on it. This will be my swim bait rod. So this is a reel. It's an Avocard CMX Pro that I'm putting on it. When our time down here is spent, see the weight. It's in every single line. Hope you know it was you that I loved until the end. That's what you want. See the backbone. Expect a really big backbone on this, but it's got very good sensitivity on the tip. which allows me to cast it. It's not stiff all the way up. Probably got about 25% flex on this heavy. Wow.
When you first told me your name,
wow.
I didn't hear a word you said.
You have to see this.
But it was written all over my face.
Appreciate.
Should've known it was you I would love until the end.
And look at the windings on this. It's a really big shaft and then tapers really nicely fast.
When you made
Again,
it down the aisle,
swim baits.
every moment stole my breath. Bet you could see it in my smile. Should've known it was you I would love until the end.
American-made company.
I don't know
Rods. They
where
make
this
all
road
this from
leads.
scratch.
All I know
Carbon fiber.
is I wanna go with you in a life where there's no sure things.
It's perfect. It's perfect.
I am sure I wanna live it with you.
Lifetime warranties on these too. They have a fantastic sale going on right now too. That is a fantastic rod. Look at that winding on it.
If you look into
It's
my
double-footed.
eyes,
And look at that.
when our time down here
That's
is
just
spent,
quality. Really,
it's in every
really
single
good quality
line.
right there.
Hope you know it was you that I loved until
All right.
the end.